Hallo aus Goslar, eine neue Folge von unserer Serie Unsere Kunden. Und bei mir ist Dan Kramer aus den Niederlanden. Hallo Dan.
Hallo, hallo Marcel.
Und der hat an seinem Fuso, ich würde mal sagen, alle Register gezogen. Und vieles davon hängt damit zusammen, dass das Auto nicht durch den deutschen TÜV muss. Dan, what have you done?
So, well, first we bought, of course, this fantastic car from the Wilder, which is great. You lifted the suspension up for us, standard. And then we bought some stuff from Australia. So we bought the wheels, which you can see, 17-inch with 37-inch tires.
And you had to order the tires also?
Yeah, so these tires are not sold in Europe, not at this weight rate, so you have to buy them in Australia. So we bought 6. So that's one big upgrade. We made the special flares from aluminium to fit the tires.
Okay.
And the new boxes at the back. We're going to do the back first. So
you guys are really like mountain bike
crazy?
Yeah,
so we are fanatic mountain bikers.
Yeah.
We do enduro racing as well. And we have quite expensive bikes. So I will not show them. But we wanted to have a safe transport. So we built the box where the 2 e-bikes are in. This is also a shower tent for outside with the water connection here. And the famous Mack tracks. And with this winch we can lower this box.
Okay.
So it comes down to here. And then we can take the bikes out and the bikes back in.
Okay. And let's go to the front.
Yeah.
This way.
Yeah.
And just some minor stuff here. That's just mudguards.
Yeah.
Also from Australia.
Also from Australia. I think you can see it underneath the shocks. Maybe you can. No, you cannot see them from here. The tire is too big. So here at the front, you can see we did an upgrade on the Dobson suspension. So this is an adjustable suspension with rebound and compression adjustment. These are specifically made for the Fuso, and you can order them in Australia very easily with Dobson and this spec.
Made it also possible. I saw your seats and I thought, okay, but they don't have any suspension.
No.
But you said it's gotten so good now with the new dampers.
Yes,
that
so
you
with the
can have seats without suspension.
Yes, so we have the Scheelman seats, no suspension, stiff. It's absolutely very comfortable. The combination with the tires, the low pressure, and the shocks.
And the Australian handle there.
This is a must. Even if you get older, we are still young, but to get in and out, this is perfect. Yeah. For the rest, the inside is standard Fuso, which is good. And then on the roof, we have the rack from Australia. Also, we will put a spare tire on there. This is the protection for the trees. I made it myself from aluminium profile. These are the wider flares. Also from Australia, to suit the tires, which you will need. And then in the front, if we get stuck, of course, we have the bumper with we have a 9,000 ton, 9 ton winch in here. So we can, if we get stuck, we can pull out.
And AAV is the Australian company.
They do the bumper.
It's Australian adventure vehicles.
Yes,
right?
correct.
Okay.
So a lot of everything that you see, except for the stuff I made myself, comes from them. Yeah.
The roof stuff is yours? No.
This is from them.
Okay.
And but the branch protection is from myself. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The upper
yes.
things there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this.
Yeah. So the wheels, the bumper, the winch, they have underbody protection here, and they also have the diff protector with the orange one bar here. They also have the air. For the front and rear diff, and the transfer casing and the gearbox, so the breather.
Breathers for going through water.
Yes,
yeah.
Yes, but also it's better than the original breather, so it's good to have anyway. So these are the biggest upgrades. We have some lights everywhere. We have a bigger fuel tank. This is 200 liter diesel also, and this is also a nice upgrade, I think. So we have compressors here So we have a 10-liter air tank on the truck.
Okay.
We have 2 air compressors, and then we have here on every corner air connection for the tires.
Okay.
So all 4 wheels we can connect together, and then I can regulate the pressure for the wheels here. So this is exactly the same. So this Tedford is exactly the width of the cupboard.
Yeah.
And we have the fridge here
Okay.
behind. So perfect fit.
So Daan, what is this?
So Sunsets and Side Roads is our Instagram page.
Yeah.
And it will also be our YouTube channel. When we start our trip in January, we will start filming for the YouTube in our adventures through Europe. So you can follow us on Sunsets and Side Roads.
Okay.
So, thank you very much.
Have a nice trip.
Bye
See
bye.
you. Bye.